Hello friend, welcome on my YouTube channel. Did you know that in Binance you can send your crypto, any coin, to your friend or to any another Binance user without any commission? Did you know? If not, I will show you how to do it. First of all, open the application Binance. If you are not registered yet, you can use the link under this video to complete quick registration and verification. And after that, open application and press Pay. Here you will need to choose Send. And you have 4 options how you can send your money to any other Binance user if you know their email, phone number, Pay ID or Binance ID. The easiest way is to send it with Binance ID. Press Binance ID and you will need to know another person's Binance ID. Later I will show where that person can find it, and once you have it, type it in this field and press Continue. Here you can choose the coin which you are going to send. I will send USDT and I'm choosing the amount, for example $15, and press Continue. Check if you chose everything correct and press Continue. Here you will need to enter Pay PIN, which you set up when you first used Binance Pay. As you see, payment successful. As promised, I am showing you where to check the Binance ID of user. On the main screen, press on the left side on your profile picture, and on top you will see your ID. Tap on it and it will be copied. If this video was useful for you, please press like button and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in comments.